Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook location settings on Android. Let's start with Marketplace. To do that, select Marketplace option from the top or bottom, depending on your screen. You can see your current location set at the top right. Press that location information. Press search option from this pop-up. Turn on location on your phone if you want to pick the location automatically. And here it is. You can also type in your new location. For example, type the location and select from the drop-down. Choose the radius and press apply. And the new location setting will be applied to Marketplace. Another way is to change the location on your profile. To do that, go to your profile by clicking your profile icon at the top right. You can see your location on profile page. To change that, press pencil icon. Again, press pencil icon in front of your location. Tap old location and type in new location. Select the new location from suggestions and press save. If you want to share this location change event, you can do so by clicking share button. And if you go back to your profile, you will see the new location reflected here. So this is how you can see your location and change it on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.